Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. And as always, enjoy the video.
Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm good, my man. How you doing?
You mind putting your other hand up on the steering wheel so I can see it? All right, appreciate it. Just got to make sure you ain't reaching down there or anything.
Yeah, I understand.
All right, I'm Officer Kobe Rubis with HPD, man. The reason for the stop tonight, you know why?
Yeah, I know.
You got a bunch, the tail light is out at top, the registration.
It's just my little work truck. I've been working this shit, man, and I had a chance to get none of this stuff done.
Okay. Does the other window work, ma'am, or no?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't.
Okay, that's fine. All righty, do you have your driver's license, ma'am?
Yeah, I actually gave it in the phone because I don't have no wallet for
If you want, can you just open the other side so at least my partner can talk to you from that end? Just leave the door open. What you guys up to tonight?
And then just can't be getting something to eat when to go back over to them.
What y'all out here for tonight?
No, we just can't get something to eat for to go back to the house.
Okay. Is that the actual plate for the car?
Yeah, that's the plate for the car. When I bought it, they had paper plates on it, so I never had a chance to get.
They just never switched over. Yeah, I don't want partner to explain it, man, but you gotta switch those over. That's why. That's why I ended up getting stopped.
Hey, but I've been working in 6 to 5, and I ain't had a chance to get to the over there to farm stand and do the shit I need to do.
I feel that. I hear you. You okay?
I just got to police give me back.
All right, I'm gonna back up a little bit.
Yeah.
We're not out here to do anything extra. We're just.
I know. You're okay.
Yeah, she just got dropped off by an Uber.
She a police?
She just got dropped off by an Uber right there, and I think she just happened to live there.
Yeah. I know she pulled up and see lights in front of her house and shit.
Alrighty. You mind coming back here, man, talking to me real quick? You got any weapons on you?
Oh, no.
Let me pat you down real quick, man. Alright, come back here. Alright, man. Do you got any weapons in the car that I need to know about? Anything? No weapons, bombs, crazy, anything like that?
Lots of batteries and fucking tools and shit.
Okay, you mind if I check real quick? Alright. Be real quick, man.
That's it's just about. We're just gonna have you come back here. I believe that he's just checking the car right now. Because she's probably dead. Husband consented to it. So let's just go on, come back here. We'll hang out with him. If you want something to cover up.
I will stop you.
I hope you're gonna let me make it on that tag, man. I know it was my guy there. I've been working hard.
I hear you. I get you. Remember, you need 2 tags. It has to be one for the front, one for the back.
Paper tag?
No, 2. You're done with that paper tag. That
Yeah,
paper tag.
I know. Yeah. Once I register, they're gonna give me the sticker and everything.
But once you get a plate, you have to have 2 plates. One on the front and one on the back.
I think I have 2 plates in there, but I'm not sure. Like I said, I did when going to work. Come back on this. See how this shit out too.
So generally, like we're not singling y'all out or anything like that. We try to search almost every car that we come into contact with. It's a very high drug, high crime area. Even last night, my partner stuffed the car, and we ended up having to seize money. He had multiple illegal guns in the vehicle. He had drugs, a ton of drugs in the vehicle actually, and we ended up having to take him to jail for that. And that's really the only reason why we kind of try to keep the neighborhood safe away from that.
I've been out here all my life, so I know how it's shit.
But generally, people, whenever we ask, like, hey, can we check and make sure, people who are on the up and up, they let us go about it because they genuinely don't have anything in there, and we know that, and it's another way of kind of checking, making sure. So I don't think we're gonna find anything.
No, I ain't gonna sit in that. Come and get something to eat, take it back to the house.
Alrighty. So whose stuff is which? Guessing the bags are yours, ma'am? The pink bag was yours? Okay. Alrighty. Well, go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me, okay? We did find some stuff in the bag, so don't want to disclose that with you right now, okay? I'll talk with her if she wants me to be able to tell you that, and I will. So those, who is this to you? Your girlfriend? Bring it in the back.
Let's go back. Okay. Come on.
What all these codes are, so I'm pretty sure I know which one it is. So, you don't know, they're just in your bag.
What's up, boss?
Put it in the back.
Yeah. You want to lean on the car? Come on. No, you can lean over here, like sit back on it.
Look it up and call
So you just lean up against it. I know it's a little bit more uncomfortable to stand like that. Right now we're just going to confirm what it is to make sure. And so I'm just going to make sure that we actually get the exact thing of what it is. That way we don't do anything extra. You said you don't have anything else in there. Is there anything else we should know about? No.
Yeah, I have a mace on me.
Mace?
Not on me, but
Okay, you can have mace. That's totally fine.
does it have marijuana?
Yes, it is. I believe my partner already mentioned he found that. Is there anything else? Marijuana is not a huge deal.
Yeah, that's the
especially
only
at this
thing
point.
that's mine. It's regulated. I don't do anything else.
What's up, huh? What's going on? Good, you know, we said my tag. Well, my tag got on the damn truck. Said my tag got on the truck, so
Just do us a favor, stay up on the sidewalk, okay? Thank you.
hey. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Stay up on the sidewalk.
Hey.
Hi,
What you doing?
how are you, James?
Hey, what you doing?
Hi.
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Hey, what you doing? Hey. What you doing? Hey. Hey. Hey.
No.
Hey. Hey, guys, I did my phone.
Your phone?
Yeah.
You do for a minute, man. We're almost done, and then
Yeah, we'll be able to cut you free
I want to
entirely.
get the number. I need to get the number.
Her mother's number? Do you know it? Your mom's number?
well, I need James' phone numbers and everything.
Hey.
Just letting you know, you are going to
Hey.
go into jail tonight for the possession
Hey.
of the hydrocodone, ecstasy pills, and the marijuana. They're all in your bag. They're in your possession. It's called, doesn't matter. It's called a possession, not doing. So we're going to wait for a female unit to come by so they can screen.
Do you know the numbers that you need to give him? Should I get your phone from the car?
Phone is.
I'm sorry?
It's 832.
832?
Hey.
Man, back up! I already told you. Get on the sidewalk.
You were right.
We are. Thank you so much. Do me a favor. Back up on the sidewalk.
You were right.
Back up on the sidewalk.
You were right.
'Cause at this point, you're interfering.
You were right. You were right.
Up onto the sidewalk, please.
You were right.
Up onto the sidewalk, please. Are you gonna back up?
I'm
Well, just all the way to the sidewalk. That's all I want from you. I just want you to stay on the sidewalk, all right? I don't want you walking up on us like that, okay? Are you gonna be able to back up for me? A little bit more. Back up to the sidewalk, please.
Hey, man. You ever... Where your body hurting? What's wrong?
It's on. Do me a favor, back up to the sidewalk. Thank you. All right, come on, a little bit more. Just back up to the sidewalk. Back up to the sidewalk. It's James, right? My partner was saying your name?
What?
It's James, right?
Yeah.
Okay. James. I'm asking you, politely, please back up to the sidewalk. Thank you. I'm sorry about that. We'll also give you another chance. I'll write down the numbers for you if you need later on, so that you can remember. You can keep it in your pocket at the jail. Okay. We'll keep your jacket with you too, because I do know that it sometimes gets cold in there. You need to get. Is there anything else you need me to get? It'll just be part of your property. You can leave all your stuff with them if you want, but if you want your purse with you or your phone, things like that, you won't have it with you in there. But whenever you get out, you need something with you.
My phone dead.
Right. Okay. Wallet, things like that. Okay. All right. So we'll just hang out for right now. Like my partner said, we're going to get a female unit to come over here. They're going to search you. Just make sure you don't have anything on you that's going to be a danger to anyone. And then from there, we'll get going, okay? She had narcotics. From there, I probably won't tell you any more information because honestly, I feel like that's up to her to divulge.
You're right.
We are.
Right.
Thank you.
You're right. So shit, it was 2 bills or some shit.
It was she had a pretty good amount.
Pretty good amount.
It wasn't like a crazy amount, but like I said, you can ultimately talk to her more about it if you want to, but I feel like that's her information to divulge if she wants to. Okay. So a little bit more information. We're still having a female unit come by, but because they're on another call right now, it's going to take them a little bit. I mean, you can still say your goodbyes. Other kind of information. You're not getting any kind of felony. Normally, hydrocodone, ecstasy is considered a meth pill. With this, because it was mixed with something else, it's not full-on meth, anything like that, which makes it a misdemeanor. Okay? So what that means is that it's not as high of a charge. The kind of serious things that you're wanting to avoid are felonies. A felony arrest is something that's going to be the kind of hindrance for later on. This is still an arrest. It's still going to be for a Class A misdemeanor, so it's the highest priority of a misdemeanor. But again, it's not a felony, which is honestly significantly better.
Yeah, if it's a misdemeanor, you can't do the citation, and what you would have to show.
So that's a little bit different. So for officers, things that we can write tickets for are generally for Class C misdemeanors. That's the things like your license plate. We can write a ticket for that.
I know they were doing it for like the misdemeanor for everyone.
So for marijuana, yes, same deal. There is a way that we can write a ticket for that. However, she had a little bit more than just marijuana. And so since there were a little bit more, for lack of a better way to say it, harder drugs with it, we can't just write a ticket for it and like take it to be destroyed.
But the marijuana is the only thing that you...
I understand, but because it was still in your property, it's considered in your possession. Same thing if we found it in his wallet, it would be considered in his possession even though this wasn't for you. It wouldn't be considered yours. And so, like I said, we're going to be here for just a little bit longer so that we can make sure we get a few more units to come by. Okay?
So are we getting a phone?
Oh, yeah, let's get your phone, man. You're good. To him? To your mom? I don't have any issue with it. Just, like I said, we're going to be here for a little bit longer. I don't want anyone else just kind of showing up on us. You'll have an opportunity to talk to her again later, but like I said, if he does call her, by all means, you can talk to her. Yeah, I don't have any issues with it though. So, have you ever dealt with any kind of this process? Let me also ask this. Do you know what a PR bond is? Do you have a job or anything at all? No, sir. So it's very likely that you'll get a PR bond. What a PR bond is basically you promise to come to court later on and they let you out, okay? So what happens is we take you to jail. We put the drugs, we tag the drugs to what it is. So you go to jail for the night. Whenever they can. There is a judge 24/7 at the jail, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you'll go talk to the judge. He'll say, what are you here for? You let him know what you're here for. He'll say, okay, well, can you report a lawyer? Can you do things like that? You'll let him know. You can or cannot. Generally, with Harris County, a lot of times you can get a PR bond, which is, I promise to come to court later on. They'll let you out. I've seen people get out literally the same night. I put people in jail at midnight or 1, and by the time I get off at 6 or 7, I see them walking around the same area where I picked them up. So it's possible that you still get out later on tonight or tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it also depends how booked the jail is, how many people are going in. Okay? So it's possible that this is a quick process. I said the only real reason we're taking a little while is because we want to make sure we can get a female unit out here to search you, okay? Because we can search you, but we know that you'll feel more comfortable otherwise. Wait, who's your boyfriend? I have to say honestly, it's a good boyfriend. There's dealt with a lot of people in situations like this where the dude's like, and they'll bail out as soon as they can. That's a good dude. Yeah, he's back here. Do you want me to call him back over here? Yeah. I'd rather keep you over here for now. I don't know. What was his name again? What was his name again? Sorry? Roy? Roy? You're talking to her mom, correct? Are you talking to her mom? I know she mentioned she wanted to talk to her.
Hello? Hello?
Then she go right here.
Mama. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna go to jail.
Ask her where she was born.
Where she was born?
Miss Davis.
Miss Davis, were you born here in Houston?
No.
Were you born here in Houston? Here in Houston.
I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, because you got to go to a line. That's Oak County. I don't even know how that shit works. Whenever you go in front of the judge, that's when they decide if you are going what now.
I need
Should I get her food out of there?
Sorry?
Can she eat some of her food first? While we wait?
No, I can just can drink some. I got a Powerade.
Yeah, if you want to grab a Powerade, I don't mind to drink some Powerade.
Yeah. I haven't ate all of it.
We'll ask them for some food while we're there too. Generally, I'm not a huge fan of letting people ingest things while we're here with them. It sounds crazy, but people will take like their other stuff. Oh, you go ahead, man. I don't think that's anything other than Powerade.
Because this is not for me.
And you ain't ate or nothing.
I'm not even trying to think about being in jail. I ain't never been in there. And you already know my attitude. Like, that's what's pissing me off. I never want to be in this predicament because of my fucking attitude. I don't even like being around people. Like, that's the fucking thing. I said I don't even like being around people. That's the fucking thing.
She talking about when she's going through the booking and all that, you know, they're going to have her around certain people. You know, she's going to have to abide by whatever.
All right.
I think it's the lady officer right here.
There's gonna be her right here. So just say one last goodbye, things like that. They're gonna search and we're gonna get on our way. Okay.
I love you. I'm gonna call you the first time I do.
And they say bye to your mom or anything?
I love you, Mama. I'm gonna call you whenever I get a chance. I don't know how this stuff goes.
You wanna come on and sit back here with me?
Huh?
Yes.
Sit back here. Right here is perfectly fine. She's gonna come up to you. She might just be getting some gloves. She might just be getting some gloves. Like that. You're gonna be okay.
I never think I do.
I know it sounds weird to say, but you'll be just fine. You're gonna be okay. Great. Bueno. You go with me releasing dude?
Yeah.
Hi, brother. You're good to get going.
Y'all gonna give her a jacket right here, right?
Yeah, we're gonna give her a jacket.
Okay. So y'all can go.
She's gonna go in our car. We have a female searching her right now. She's gonna go with us. We already let you know where she's going. She has, she remembers her mom's number too. I'm sure she remembers your number. So as soon as she can get to a phone, she'll give you a call. Okay?
So if y'all writing it down as a misdemeanor, it's classified as a
Yes,
misdemeanor.
it's classified as a Class A misdemeanor.
So it won't switch up once she go in front of the judge and none of that shit.
No, it's gonna be a Class A misdemeanor.
If
But as of right now, like I said, you are good to go.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It gets kind of hot in here, so we're gonna get there as fast as you can. Okay. Doors around you first. Go on. All right. Let me unbuckle. We'll try here. Okay. Go. You step up. All good. In a second, they're gonna take off those cuffs. Okay. They're gonna take off the cuffs in a second.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any of our new content. If you enjoyed today's footage, consider sharing. And as always, we'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.